Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Marklife P11 Labelmaker. It says portable thermal sticker printer machine with tape. It's a #1 release on Amazon, has pretty good reviews, comes for a very reasonable price, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've been struggling in the past with such things here to write on such plastic, especially with oil. You can see that here I've been struggling. You can't just use a normal waterproof pen or normal label printer tape. Here I've been using a normal cheap label printer and then I put a clear tape on it, but you can see it doesn't look really nice. It starts peeling off here on the side, so I need something really better than that. And for me this looked very tempting. So here's the box, let's take it out and see. So here's the device, that's the size, pretty decent size, not too large, not too small. Get even a charging cable, that's micro USB standard. Comes even with some small instructions manual. Yeah, maybe this can be useful, so I'm going to show you that. It's not a lot, about 4 double pages. I'm not sure if it's focusing nicely. Just make sure that you go to the highest resolution, put it on pause, and then you should be able to read everything. Here's just some features, troubleshooting and so on. Maybe troubleshooting could be helpful, but apart from that, that's it. What's important, download the Marklife app from the App Store. So here we have it from the Google Play Store. It doesn't have too many downloads, no ratings so far, but it's definitely for a smart Bluetooth label printer. So I'm going to install that and let's open and see if we have to make an account or so. So we can make an account or use visitor login or Facebook login. So I'm using the visitor for now. It's really convenient, so I don't have to make a new account. So let's open and see if we have some label already inside. Looks like the label is already inside, ready to print. Yeah, don't do anything. I just turn it on with a long press. Let's see if we can connect. Probably that's the icon here. Let's see. Yeah, it has found something. So let's pair this here and it gives us the green light. So here's the first page of the app, and usually then we are going to create a label, but you have also some options for cloud templates. Just make sure that it's fitting the label size. It has different label sizes here. Going back to create my own one here. And here also very important to pick the right size, the size of the label which is included. We can open that here, make sure that it is nicely fitting here till the very end, that it will touch this feeding roll here. So it really has to go to the very end, otherwise it won't be able to pick it up. So I think it should be okay, more or less. Let's see. Label size which is included in the first packaging is 30 by 12 millimeter, and we are printing 90 degrees, of course, to have more space. And I click on create, and then we have a lot of different possibilities for text, image, frame, stickers. We have really nice option for many things here. Really a lot is already included. That's pretty nice. I'm not going to show you everything. You can even create your own thing, add line, serial number, code and so on. I'm just putting a little bit of text here. So I'm trying again with the coconut oil. What we see here at the beginning, we can move this thing around, but this is the label. And what's important here regarding the size, if we print it like that, it would be super small, and we can't just make it larger by pulling here. It will just enlarge the printing area. When we want to make this larger, we have to click down here and then we can increase the size. That's really important here. So we maximize this, try to make this as large as possible, put it in the middle, make it even a little bit larger. So I think we are at about maximum what's possible here, but we can also use different fonts from the library. Can see we have many possibilities, but let's stick with the default here. I think this is good for me. Let's click on print label. Everything is still okay. I would say we click again and it's printing, and we can just pull this off here. You can see nicely printed. Now let's see how this works. Yeah, remove this old sticker here, and let's put this one here. Yeah, looks like it's really safe. Let's give some coconut oil. Yeah, it is quite resisting, so maybe if you do some crazy stuff over time it would fade away a little bit, but it takes quite a lot. You can see it's still here. Yeah, amazing. I think it was just the other stuff which I've been removing. Let's see again. Yeah, looks really good. Still, like at the beginning, yeah, really happy with that. Couldn't be better than that. And so I can give you a full recommendation on that. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.